Good morning everyone. I am Sumita Jaina of class 12C of Bhaurav Devras Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Today I am going to speak about the chapter Deep Water written by William Douglas. This chapter narrates us that we should not fear from any obstacle of our life. Now I would like to talk about the author William Douglas. William Orliff Douglas, born in 16th of October 1898 in USA. He died on 19th of January 1980. He was an American jurist and a politician also. He was the most youngest justice of USA. At the age of 40, he was nominated as a justice. Now, I would like to tell you about the theme. The theme of this story tells us that we should be courageous and determined enough to conquer any fear of our mind. The narrator was feared of water, so he decided and determined to conquer his fear. Now, I would like to tell you the main character of the story. The main character of the story is the narrator itself. William Douglas is a great thinker and also a great fighter. He puts and set up his mind that he will not fear of water anymore. He will fight and conquer his fear. Now I would like to tell you the summary. I have divided the summary in 3 parts. The first is the childhood fear. Second is YMCA, that means Young Men Christian Association misadventure at the pool, and the third one is the overcoming the fear. The first part of the summary is childhood fear. The narrator tells that how he overcame his fear. When he was 2 or 3 years old, his father took him to the Californian sea beach. There a wave swept him over and knocked him down. There his mind was conquered with the fear and filled with the fear of deep water. There he was having the aquaphobia. Then he decided not to go to the pool again. But after some years, when he was 11 or 12 years old, he went to the pool again and decided to learn swimming. This determination was filled in his mind. So he was determined and courageous enough. The second part of the summary is the YMCA misadventure. YMCA misadventure was the story when narrator decided to join the YMCA pool. Then he went there and feared to go alone into the pool. So he decided to wait for someone else to come. Then a big boy with a very muscular body came there and tossed the narrator into the deeper side of the pool. The narrator tried to come up himself from the deep water, but he was unable to come up. Then he put all his strength to come upward from the water, but all his strength failed. Then he lost his breath, his lungs ached, and he was getting dizzy. Then, after some time, when he opened his eyes, he found that he was lying on the floor and he is vomiting. Then the boy who tossed him into the deep water said that he was only fooling the narrator, but narrator was nearly died. From that day, narrator developed a very great fear in his mind. He decided not to go to the pool again. Then, the third part of the summary is overcoming the fear. Narrator decided that he will learn swimming after several years. Then he contacted a coach to learn swimming, so he will conquer the fear of his mind. So his coach put a belt on his belly to safeguard from the water. After that, he was slowly disappearing the fear from his mind. Then he learned the swimming. Then coach trained him to go to the deep water and exhale and then arise his nose and inhale. This exercise narrator tried 100 times. After that, he won the race and he conquered his fear. Now the determination and self-courage helped the narrator to conquer the fear, and that's how he won over the fear. At the end, the conclusion is that we should be the courageous and determined enough to win over any fear of our mind. Thank you so much.